Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download R.E.P.O on PC. So R.E.P.O is a game which you can find on Steam Powered. So you can either open your steampowered.com account in your web browser or in your Steam Powered launcher application. You need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you need to use the search bar in the top and search for R.E.P.O. Now once you search for it, you will find various results, but you need to simply click on this one, that is the official game. So after clicking on it, you will be shown its trailer here. So you need to scroll down a bit and you need to buy R.E.P.O before actually downloading it in your device. So in order to purchase it, click on the option of add to cart and click on the option of view my cart. Over here, select the option of continue to payment. Then you will be landed on this payment method page. Over here, first of all, you need to select the payment method. You will be given bunch of different payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, debit card, credit card. So based on the payment method availability, you need to select the payment method and provide the associated details like your billing information that include all of these details. Once done, click on this continue button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, review your details and conclude your payment. Once your payment is done successfully, you will again be redirected on this page where instead of this in cart or this money button, you will see the download button. So you need to click on that download button and select your disk from your PC, and then you need to simply install it in your device. Afterwards, you will be able to easily play it with the help of your Steam powered launcher. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.